So hey, what's up guys, and in this video I have the Sailfish OS for the Redmi 2 and Redmi 2 Prime. So let's get started with this video. Now first of all, this is the Sailfish OS. Now first, it is pretty different from any normal Android OS and any iOS, and it is based on the pure Linux, and as you can see, it's purely different from any phone, and the thing is, it is pretty nice. Now it provides nothing, and it has no application what you get on the Android. It's pretty different from Android, and as you can see, very less application I have right now. Even now, the things which are working on this is the camera, and you can make calls and some other stuff, and very basic application like document, media. And the one thing which I notice is this operating system not able to play a simple video which has been downloaded from the YouTube, which is kind of really like irritating for me, because I'm just trying to test it and it's not working. Now you can see it's kind of like gesture based system, so no navigation bar system is available. And this is the navigation system which you get is the gesture, swiping up like drawer, app drawer is here, swiping here you get some weather reports, and swiping here you get the notification panel, and swiping from the top you get these themes which Jolla provides, and that's it. That's what you get in the whole Sailfish OS. Now you have watched lots of videos on the internet which says how to get the Android application running on the Jolla Sailfish. Now you can run the Android application on it, but yeah, it did require lots of information and lot patience, because it's not as easy thing. It's pretty technical, and it's not an easy task. But if I'm able to find a way to do that, I'll be surely going to make a video on it. But right now, this is the Jolla Sailfish OS. There's nothing to talk about this Sailfish ROM, and this is on the Redmi 2, which is nice to see. So development of this ROM is still going on, so you can follow the development. Link in the description, and you can download this ROM from the description. To flash this ROM, it's very easy. First of all, you need to flash the Lineage OS 14.1 and then flash the Sailfish OS ROM. Then just reboot the device. It takes almost like 10 to 15 seconds to reboot, and boom, you get the Sailfish OS on your Android device and running on I don't know what is the version of it is running on, but yeah, it works quite well. It's quite smooth, quite clean, and it's much minimalistic than the Android. So Android should follow this type of design. So that's a small video on the Sailfish OS. If you like this video, you can give a thumbs up, and as it is a requested video, so thanks to the requester. I've never tried the Sailfish OS before this, and so thanks for watching. This is Manik, and I'm signing off, and I will see you in the next video.